Hi everybody, Devin here from Let's Head Out. Today we are in Pigeonforge, Tennessee, and we're gonna grab some lunch here at Mama's Farmhouse. So yeah, let's head out. Alright, so this is the outside of the building. It looks like a farmhouse. They have a tractor and a truck up there. We'll do, I'll get closer to it after we get finished eating. Yeah, it's a neat little place. They have like a windmill, and they have a place where you can get your picture made with Mama.
Hannah, you want a picture made with Mama?
And they even have Mama's outhouse out here. Cornhole place just to kind of hang out. They got a checkerboard, stuff like that. So we're gonna go in and grab us a bite to eat, and me and Hannah's gonna get their pictures made, or pictures made. I'm gonna take their pictures. Hannah's a sheep, and me is a pig. All right, so we are we're gonna go in and get us some food as soon as I
this is the door.
Figure out where the opening is. Oh, Mia found the door.
Hannah did.
Alright, so we're in, and the decor is like an old farmhouse, which is kind of cool. This is yep. So this is the menu. So they've got all of this stuff. Then you can pick 4 of these. And I'm not sure about the dessert. I think it all goes with everything. So, yeah. Amelia noticed this light right there. Kind of a pretty lamp. It's like stained glass. Very cool.
One of those old-fashioned. You remember Granny used to have one of these?
Granny did used to have one of those. She used to keep syrup in it though.
Yeah. Cane syrup.
Mia's putting ranch dressing on her salad, and we got some tomato bacon soup here that looks absolutely wonderful. You've tried it already. How is it?
That's really good.
Yeah? I'm going to dig in here and is that strawberry preserves? And they gave us some strawberry preserves to go with our biscuit. So yeah. Alright, I'm going to try some of this soup.
Happy I am about going home.
Oh, that's so good. Oh, it's good. Look at me over here eating her salad. Are you gonna dip your biscuit with jelly into your soup?
No.
We need to say this.
No, she took a bite.
Pretty good.
Yeah, she likes it. Alright, so the food will be out in a minute, so we're going to eat our soup and our salad and our biscuits, and alright, so we got the ham and the good old fried chicken, and is this the country fried steak? This is the country fried steak here.
It's got like green beans?
Yeah, that, I don't know. That looks good. Maybe chives. We've got the broccoli. We got broccoli casserole that Amelia was wanting. We've got mashed potatoes.
I already got some of them. I haven't tried them.
And the macaroni
And cheese.
All right. This country fried steak is where it's at. What do you think, Hannah?
It's pretty good.
I'm gonna try some of this macaroni and cheese. Oh man, macaroni and cheese is really good too. You like the mashed potatoes?
They're pretty good.
They're homemade, it tastes like.
Hannah's on a mission.
Anytime we eat places, it's always about the mashed potatoes.
It is always about the mashed potatoes for Hannah. The mashed potatoes are good though. Ooh, that got close, quite close to my nose. All right, so this is the broccoli casserole. It's got a lot of cheese on it. Oh man, I put my watch in the tomato soup.
Oh, yeah, right there.
I got it good. This broccoli casserole is pretty good too. Yeah. Believe it or not, it didn't make a big mess. Got that on video too. What do you think of me, huh?
It's really good.
So on Saturdays, they don't do lunch. They have breakfast and then they do lunch. They start dinner or supper, dinner, wherever you're from. They started at 2. So they actually don't do lunch on Saturday. So just be aware of that. Oh, their cheese good too. Look at Hannah chomping down on that chicken. What do you think?
It's good. It's seasoned really well.
Good.
It's really good.
Alright, so we're going to finish eating and then we'll talk a little bit more about it in the car. Alright, so for dessert, I got banana pudding. And Hannah got banana pudding. She didn't mess with her. Hers looks pretty. And you got apple crunch.
With vanilla ice cream.
With vanilla ice cream. And yeah, and that looks good.
That looks stunning.
I can't believe she got vanilla ice cream with it.
You want some?
It's
No,
vanilla
no, no.
bean.
Yeah, it is vanilla bean. You can see the little...
So I've tried some of my banana pudding, and this banana pudding is on point. It is so good. Let's see. Let's see Hannah's face.
It's cold. It's like kind of an vanilla used to make.
Mmm.
Oh my god.
This is good. Cinnamony. A little bowl of perfection.
Amen.
So here's a better video of the truck and the tractor that's out here in front of the restaurant. So yeah, Hannah's out here chilling. Well, it's hot. Nice pretty day today though.
If it's hot outside and you say chilling, wouldn't it be called grilling?
Well, if you stay on that bench long enough, you'll have little grill lines. So Amelia saw this outhouse here and she said, "Oh my goodness, you can go in it." So we're gonna look inside of Mama's outhouse. We have Mama and Papa. So I guess they can come in here and spend time together.
Oh, gross.
Oh Lord, that's fun. Alright,
Cornhole?
yeah, cornhole. And they got a little play area for the kiddos.
Oh, where do you stand? Oh no.
Mia threw it over it. Oh.
You hit yourself in
Did
the
y'all hear
head.
that? Oh gosh, that hurt my head.
There is a trick to this, but I don't remember what it is. Do you?
Yes. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. Alright. Gotta get the string around that hook.
Oh, there you go. Oh!
Whoa, I dropped it. Hold on, I gotta get it there. If I can catch it.
Oh! You keep hitting the bottom of it.
Went around it that time.
Yeah.
If I had me a green suit, we could have Mia run up there and we could ring it real quick and then erase her out of it.
That's cheating.
It's cheating? Hannah said it's cheating. I think not. I keep going around it. I either hit the side of it. I either hit the side of it or don't hit nothing. Alright, I'm done. Mia's done went from one sport to another.
Yeah. No, I'm no good at cornhole.
I think I'm sticking with with pickleball.
Pickleball. Oh.
Right.
That was beautiful.
I didn't ring it.
What is she doing?
I don't know.
What am I doing?
Ooh. Oh.
Hey, I did better than Hannah did. One more, Hannah, we gotta go. Alright, so that was a review for Mama's Farmhouse. Everything was really, really good. I think I might have found me a new place to go eat at in Pigeonforge. I give it 10 out of 10 squatchies. The chicken was like really, really good. So was the country fried steak, and I really enjoyed. I did not show the fried okra. We had fried okra. It came a little bit later, but I ate it. But it was really good as well. So yeah, I give it 10 out of 10 squatchies, easy. Hannah?
I give it 10 out of 10 squatchies as well. The mashed potatoes were really good. And the fried chicken was absolutely delicious.
It was seasoned well.
It was really seasoned well.
Mia?
I give it 10 out of 10.
10 out.
My favorite thing there was the macaroni and cheese. Because I think it's probably the best macaroni and cheese that I've had in a while.
Yeah,
at a restaurant. Everything tasted like it was actually handmade.
Yeah.
Like made there in the kitchen. Yeah.
I mean, everything's, I guess, handmade, but anyway, you know what I mean.
Like homemade.
Yeah,
homemade.
Yeah, it was good.
The sweet tea was good.
The sweet tea was really good.
Oh, and the apple crisp that I had was delicious.
Yeah,
Sorry.
my banana pudding was good.
It was good.
I love a good banana pudding, and it was right where it needed to be in my tummy.
And the ham. I liked the ham.
I did. I ate a little piece of the other ham, and the ham was good too.
Yeah,
I didn't eat any of the fried chicken.
Shameful.
The chicken was.
It was
the
good.
chicken was where
But
it's at.
what was,
that
was
was
it
good.
Salisbury steak?
It was a country fried like cube steak.
Yeah, that was
good.
good. It's on the menu here.
It was
Salisbury steak.
Salisbury steak.
Or no, country fried steak.
They didn't have. They told us what meat we were going to get today. Sometimes they have that sometimes you can pick, sometimes you can't. It depends. It says on here in a dish. Let's see.
Oh, that's what we had: fried chicken, country fried steak, and ham.
Yep.
So each day is different.
Each day's
well,
different.
not each day. Friday's the same. No.
Oh, okay.
Friday is Salisbury's.
That's right. Yeah. So each one has its own meat. Like Monday is fried chicken, Salisbury steak and ham. Tuesday is fried chicken, meatloaf, turkey and stuffing. Wednesday is fried chicken, country fried steak and ham. Thursday, this is for dinner time. Thursday is fried chicken, meatloaf and turkey stuffing. Friday is fried chicken, Salisbury steak and ham. Saturday is fried chicken, country fried steak and ham. And Sunday is fried chicken, meatloaf, turkey and stuffing. We should have waited to come Sunday. I wanted meatloaf really bad. That meatloaf was like talking to me.
I liked the ham. The ham was good.
I like the chicken.
So yeah, and they do the lunches the same
But the
way.
ham was good,
Each day is different. Monday is fried chicken and steak, Salisbury steak. Tuesday is fried chicken and meatloaf. Wednesday is fried chicken and country fried steak. Hey, we can go on a Tuesday for lunch. Thursday is fried chicken and meatloaf. Friday is fried chicken and ham, and there's no lunch on Saturday and Sunday.
Well, the lunch.
So,
Oh yeah,
yeah.
because the lunch you only get 2 meats.
That's right.
So, and so dinner you get 3.
So yeah, that was it was really good. It was really good.
The broccoli casserole was good too. It was cheesy.
Yes, it was cheesy.
Did you like it, Hannah?
I had a little bit of it. It was pretty good. I was more excited about the mashed potatoes.
It really was probably the best restaurant we've been to in a while.
Yeah, it was good.
It was good.
It was really good. All right, so that wraps up the video. Thank you for watching. If you're watching our videos and haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's the best way that I can ask for you to help support our channel. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. It really means a lot to my family and I, and to the future of our channel. I know I've said this. I don't know if I've said it in any of the recent videos or not, but we have made it to 1,000. Thank you so much. Please don't quit subscribing and watching our videos. Please keep it going, so we can eventually one day be able to put out like a lot better content. I hope. That's my goal, is to kind of get better and better. I know some of these videos are kind of off and on some days, but I'm trying. So anyways, if you like the video, please give us a big thumbs up. Please ring the notification bell to be notified whenever we put out new videos. And so I guess that wraps this video up. So until next time, let's head out together. See ya.